Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Ollie and this is Vokevvautomotiv. And today I thought I'd just take you around this car I've got for the next few days, kindly lent to me by Vospers Plymouth. So go check them out if you haven't already. And yeah, let me tell you 5 things I love about this car, 5 things I hate about the brand new Ford Focus ST. Let me show you around it. So first things first, probably not something that I really hate, but something that I think would have been really good if they actually tried it, is if they made a 3-door variant of these newer Ford Focus STs. Because the last car to have a 3-door was the Mark II, and that's well over 10 years ago now. And we're now up to the Mark 5, and this is probably going to be one of the last. So what do you think? Do you think it would look good as a 3-door? It definitely would have been interesting to see. So the second and third thing that I don't like about this car, the second thing is these parking sensors. The third thing is this radar system. So the parking sensors are really, really sensitive. I mean, overly sensitive. I've got a bit of a hill on my driveway, and I know it's not going to hit it because my Mark II ST is a lot lower than this. And for some reason, every time I go up it, these go absolutely mental, thinking that I'm going to hit something. Yeah, that's number 2. Number 3, the use of the radar system isn't bad. It's just when you're coming up behind someone like a bit faster than the car really wants you to, this just goes absolutely mental, throws loads of warnings, throws loads of sirens and signals at you, which is quite alarming when you're driving. And I don't know, I think it might be a bit distracting. Unless you're going to actually crash, I think it's a bit too sensitive. Moving on to number 4, and that is the engines that these cars come with. Now, as you know, all these cars nowadays come with smaller, like relatively powerful, more eco-friendly engines, and I just don't think they're any match for the old 5-cylinder that came in the Mark II. It's a 2.3 4-cylinder with 276 horsepower standard, and they're just no match. They're just no match for the old 5-cylinders back in the day, but unfortunately we're never going to see that now. Eventually they're all going to go electric. So whilst you can, buy a petrol car, buy a Mark II ST, make my car go up in value a bit. Finally, number 5, when you come to open the door, as you open it, because there's a hollow bit in the back of the handle here, you can see the metal bit of the locking mechanism. And I just think that looks a bit tacky if I'm honest. And behind here you can see where there's, goes down completely through, but then there's a black blanking plate there. I don't know if that was a bit of an afterthought, but I just don't think that looks great. At least they could have integrated the lock into the handle, or even just put it in the side of the door. Here are 5 things I love about the brand new Ford Focus ST. Let me show you them. So starting off, I think the styling of this car is really great. I think they've got it absolutely right, and there's definitely no bad angle of this car whatsoever. And especially in this white as well, I think it looks really, really good. Number 2 is actually the sound of this car. Even though it is a 4-cylinder, it does actually sound pretty good. It's pretty raspy, and it actually revs lines at like, I think 7,000 RPM. And I think these exhaust tips look really cool as well. And look at the size of them. I can literally get my fist inside of it. So give it a listen, see what you think. Considering that is a standard exhaust on a 4-cylinder car, I think that sounds pretty good, don't you? Number 3 on the list is this amazing interior. Let me just turn these fans off. Just look at this interior. Digital dash, massive display, bigger than my hand. Heads-up display there. And then what is my favourite? These massive bucket seats. Just look at the size of them. They're so aggressive. The bolsters are massive. They're great headrests. I love the Ford Performance embroidery along with these two like Ford GT, Shelby GT 500 racing lines. Yeah, they've done an amazing job on this interior. Good job, Ford. Number 4 on the list is these Matrix LEDs. Now, they are incredibly bright, and when you're driving at night, they block out part of the light's vision, so you're not dazzling other drivers. I like the look of the indicators too. I think they look smart. And that is number 5. The performance and the gearbox in this car is absolutely phenomenal. So I'm going to call the video a day there. Thanks to Vospers for allowing me to have this car for the next couple of days. My name is Ollie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and comment anything that you want to see you can do with this car, any other car, and see if I can get some more cars onto the channel. And I hope you enjoy videos like this. If not, then I'll carry on doing stuff with my Ford Focus ST. I've got a Symposia Delete to do tomorrow, so that video will be coming very, very soon. But other than that, thanks for watching. My name's Ollie. This is Vokevvautomotiv, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.